Welcome. If you're looking to cut back on how much data Discord collects on your mobile device, you've come to the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the updated steps to minimize data collection without losing the features you rely on. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Once you are in, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to access your personal settings. This is where personal preferences and privacy controls live, so it's the best starting point for tightening up data usage. From there, scroll to Find Settings and tap it to continue. You'll see a list of options with data and privacy near the top. This section is where Discord trims how it uses the information from your account and device. Tap on Data and Privacy to reveal the available controls. Inside Data and Privacy, we'll look for the toggle labeled Use Data to Improve Discord. This option is designed to help Discord optimize features like performance and recommendations by collecting usage data. Turn this off with a simple tap. A quick confirmation may appear, but you can proceed by tapping the toggle again if needed to ensure it's fully disabled. With this setting off, Discord won't actively gather the data that's used to refine the app's performance on your device. This doesn't affect your ability to chat, join servers, or use all standard features. It's a straightforward way to reclaim a bit more privacy while keeping your favorite functions intact. If you want to take privacy a step further, take a moment to review other options in the Data and Privacy menu. You might find additional switches for things like crash reporting or personalized content. Decide which ones matter to you and disable them as you prefer. Remember, changes may take a moment to apply, so give the app a quick restart to ensure everything sticks.